Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this website or AI called Higgsfield AI, and we are going to be talking about a certain model called the recast model, which can swap characters in any kind of video that you have. So over here, if you visit the website, I've provided a link in the video description or the comment section for you. If you visit the website for the first time, you'll be asked to create an account, which is necessary for you to proceed, and that is not anything difficult to do, so I'm not going to be taking you through that part. And then once you are done with the account creation, you have to come to this link over here, which is the recast model page. And then once you're on this website or this page over here, you will first have to upload your video and then the character that you want to be swapped with the video, which you can see on the demo screen or demo video over here. So if you scroll down to the bottom over here, they will show you the steps which are necessary for this to be completed. So the first step is uploading your video, just a short video within 5 to 12 seconds. So the longer the video, the higher the credit that will be used to generate the video. And yes, you'll be needing credit or plans to be able to do this work. So once you are done uploading the video, then you upload the character in which you want to be swapped with the video. And then once that is done, you have to click on generate and then wait for some time for it to generate. And then if you also want to access more characters, you have to go to the recast model studio, which is not available on this page, but I'll be showing you later on in the video. And you can see the recast studio have other good features like the character swap, voice cloning, language, different kinds of language backgrounds to choose, and then so on. So first, let's do just the normal video swapping over here, and then after that I'll take you through the advanced one, which is in the studio part over here. So first, let me upload a stock video that I've downloaded from Pesos, which is this 12 seconds video over here, and then wait for it to load. So now once that is done, I want you to upload your character image as well, and I have this character image that I've downloaded from Google, and then I'll be using it for the swapping. And you can use any image for the swapping. The image have to be a character, not any other image that can be swapped. It should be a person character image. So once you are done with it, you have to click on this button over here which says generate video, and then give it some time to process the video. You can see over here I'm going to be spending 39 credits for this to be done. So you have to wait and give it some time for it to process everything. So you can see at the top over here, this is in progress, so meaning you have to wait for some time. I've done one already, so I'm going to be showing you how it looks whilst the other is still in the progress mode. So once the video is done, you have to click on it, and then once it opens, you wait for it to load, and then you see that it will start playing automatically. And then you see that the character image that I've uploaded have been swapped with the video, the person in the video. So it is no more the person that is showing again, but rather the character that I've uploaded that has been swapped with the video that is showing right now. So you can see this feature is pretty good. But let me take you onto the studio part where you'll be able to do other advanced things like the voice cloning, languages, and then so on. So let's go back to the page over here and then go to the recast studio. So and then once you're on the recast studio, it's pretty much the same as the normal recast model, but yeah, you have to upload your videos and then do other kinds of settings So I've already uploaded the video, and then once I'm done with that, let's go on to the bottom part and then upload our character. So I'm going to be using the character image from the previous one. So I'll go ahead and then upload the character, or if you don't have any character that you want to use, you can use the already made character over here. So I'm going to be uploading my own character right now. Still going to be using this image, and then wait for it to finish uploading. Now once the character is done uploading, you see that it has been added over here as character 1. I'll go ahead and then click on it to select it, and then once that is done, you click on continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you to choose the character that is selected as the one to be swapped with in the video. So now for the language, you can either clone your own voice for the language or use the already made ones over here. So I'm not going to be doing cloning over here, but if you want to do it, you can go ahead and then do it. So I'm going to be using the first one over here, which is Andrew, male Andrew. Then the language, you have a lot of other languages over here. You can access the rest at this session over here. I'm going to be choosing English, and then for the background, we have cozy minimal, cozy pink, luxury masculine, green skin, and green skin. So let's choose luxury masculine. And then you can see over here the currency that will be used for this generation to be completed is being calculated. So I'm gonna give it okay, it's already done, and we are going to be spending a total of 67 credits for this to be done. So let's click on generate, and then wait and give it some time for it to be completed. And you can see over here it is in queue, and the generation might take up to 5 minutes to be completed, which is not bad. So you just have to give it some time, go grab a coffee or anything to pass the time, and then get back to it and see the results. So I'm going to be skipping ahead of this part of this video, and then show you the full results later. So it has been over 24 minutes now, and the first video have failed to generate, and then I'm trying to generate another one to see if it will work. But I know it's probably because the video that I've uploaded doesn't have a voice recording in it. That's probably causing the issue. But it's probably the same as the one over here, but there's that there will be a background added. The background of the original video will be changed to another one, and then the voice to be changed to the one that you chose. So I'm going to be showing you a preset of how this is supposed to look after generation in the next screen.